me like Spirited Away.
Okay, so tell me about the process. So, first of all, you gotta tape it off so it doesn't stick to the paint in the car. Okay. That way, when you get done with it, you can just pry it off. So, what is your plan for tonight? What are we doing? So, I need to get some cardboard to go around the wheel well. So, it's like a nice little, like, so you can actually have the brain, or like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I'll have something to, like, be on top of and on the car. That way, you can get that sort of angular shape. You'll just fill in around it. What you'll do is you'll get some spray foam insulation. You'll spray it on top of the cardboard, all over here, and you're just going to basically make a giant blob. And then from there, you start sanding away. Sanding away to get the shape that you want. Okay. Okay. And after that, once you get a good shape, you take body filler, Bondo, whatever you want to call it, go on top of it to make it hard and smooth, and then fiberglass. And then you'll have it. Bet. So right here, we're going to go up to a point, and then up to this line, and then follow this curve right here, around. It's crazy. I got some new lights for it because the ballast on all the fixtures were blown. And it was either that or new fixtures that are LED. And God, dude, you could barely see anything. Now it's like, yeah, this is ridiculous. How many tires you got, boy? Let's see. These are all wheels, spare tire, spare tire, spare tire. Damn. These two are actually really good. This one I think has metal in it. Dang. Well, at least you got two of them. Super tight, so tight. Okay, right here. I gotta break it loose. Oh. I gotta make her loose, she's too tight. You heard? That's something you can do easily. I wish. You need help? I'm just too strong. All that just to do this. Yeah, because I say, well, I'm about to put this shit away. Hello? Okay, I see what you're saying though. There ain't gonna be no fucking. No, I just. Okay, this is where I'll probably let you do levels. I got a bait off. Huh? I got a bait off. Yeah. My dad came on the radio early. He's like, "Can I get a wheel?" Did he really? Bruh, what am I fucking doing? Okay, that's going in the video.
I think it'd be easier. Do you want to talk about it?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. Just saying you got all of that there and...
It's okay because none of us thought of it. That's the funny thing. Rage. Just tell me when. When?
What happened?
This motherfucker threw it at me!
How the fuck you let go? What do you mean to? Edward Sauce Hands.
There you go. That's an easier way.
Well, that was anticlimactic. Where's that washer? I didn't have one. Oh, maybe that's... Oh, shit. Yours was 6.5? Yeah. Yeah, 6.4.
He diabetic as fuck.
6.4 is the mark for diabetes.
Since birth, guys.
I mean, 6.4. Okay, alright, I'm not gonna cut it.
Yellow.
Some idiots.
Is any of this
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you're an idiot.
the ivy?
I thought about bringing it. No,
Because I see that.
none of it's ivy.
That's ivy.
That's not poison ivy. When did you go to bed last night?
On the
When did you
fence?
wake up?
Yeah.
Are you not looking at what I'm looking at?
I'm looking at right there?
Yeah.
Right there. That's just normal ivy.
That's not
I
ivy.
grew one in the plant.
Really?
Yeah, like regular ivy. That's what that is. Easy one.
Oh, fuck, I didn't even see the Skittles.
Literally just got this discussion over with that I'm a diabetic.
Why are you using tin snips?
Alex
Here.
got the wrong razor blade.
I left my knife. I'm sorry. I could have been.
Useful for once in your life, and now you failed.
I could have brought some like actual like fucking scissors or something. You know.
We'll go back and get it.
Do you not have scissors in the
but
house?
they're not very like awesome.
I'm pretty sure they're better than tin snips.
Wow, these things are cutting like butter, dude.
I mean, it is.
It's a little slow, I understand, but
I mean, so am I on the weekends.
that's fair enough.
Me too.
Oh God, you
Oh,
just
I sped up the process, engineering at its finest.
Yeah, didn't you have a degree or something?
What do you think I'm doing this?
Did you rip it?
I folded it up and then cut it to the side.
You just rip it and it's
I
burnt.
literally became a demigod. What are you talking about? Alex is stamped out. Tramp stamp.
No, I'm clapped out. Oh, wait, huh?
Wait.
I want to go home now.
What?
Fuck, wait.
Do it again.
I just fucking burp on command.
Zach, do it.
Just do that again.
I think I'm a winner.
Wait for it.
Me like Spirited Away. Guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I think what I'm gonna do next, I am gonna leave you guys on a cliffhanger here. I need to do the vents in the front. I don't know how I'm gonna do those yet, but I'm thinking about it. I'm leaning towards the Rocket Bunny style front fender vents, the ones with like the 3 slits over the top. Really thinking about that, just because of the shape of the front and how it's looking now. It's got this like 350Z Rocket Bunny front sort of angled feel. I asked a buddy of mine on Instagram the other day as to whether or not I should do the vents in the front, and he said absolutely go for it. So probably gonna do that. There's a spot on the rear end, let me see if I can show you in the video. This spot right here, I think is a little bit too aggressive. Like I could sit a soda on that. I could sit a bottle of water, oh Jesus. I could sit a bottle of water on this. And that might be cool. I don't know. Before I started that, I put some extra foam on it to make it more aggressive because I did like the way it was going, but I think I overdid it. So I'm gonna have to sand it back down, dial it down a little bit. I think that's where I'll like it. One more thing I need to do with the rear is on the slope on the door. I'm going to extend it just a little bit further because I think that it's a really aggressive in the bumper area, but it's almost like it loses its flavor towards the front end. Like right about here, I think I'm going to go probably more aggressive and then taper it down more. I just feel like there's a lot going on right here, and it just ends way too quickly right here. Like it just dies down. In the next video, it should be out in another week, so just stay tuned for that. That's probably what you're gonna see. Yeah, basically until this wide body's done, I'm not gonna be doing anything else. I'm gonna focus primarily on getting this, at least for the most part, this half of the car done. And then once I get this half of the car done, I should be about ready to order the axles. And if you saw that last video with the clutch kit unboxing, I said I needed a starter. I don't need a starter. I checked with a couple people. All I need is the axles. Then I send my ECU off, get the mounts, put everything in. Alright, that'll be it. Thanks for tuning in, guys.